Good morning, team. Hope you guys are fine. Yeah, today is another day. I'm sorry, this is UK49. Sorry, what did I do now with that recording? Because it's supposed to be on. Okay, still on. Sorry. Okay, so guys, yesterday there was a quote on that previous video. If you checked, this quote was 4089, and I said to you, you add all these numbers, they gave us a 21. That quote did a 48, 49, and a 21, which was straight correct 3 numbers. So well done to those who managed to pick it up. And then now we are approaching a Good Friday, remember? So you guys, I've dropped again to the discount for the books. Remember this book, I've got 4 books actually, 4 books. So now I put them on a combo with 50% discount. It is a chance for you guys to get yourself a book and start understanding where the quotes come from and where the quotes, like, you know, without the quotes in UK49 or any other lotto, it's hard because there's a reason why they are giving us these quotes. But with these quotes of mine, they don't send them, I create them. My people, they know, because the quotes for UK49, they normally 1 to 9, which is 1, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a quote like for UK, they bring their quotes like this, but my quotes is 16 numbers, or sometimes it's 24 with a quote, because remember, we need 7 numbers out of these quotes. 7 correct numbers out of these quotes. So that's why the quote number 1 can give us 2 numbers, quote 2 can give us 1, third quote can give us 2 numbers, fourth quote can give us 2. For us to get 6 numbers, you need to use 4 proper quotes, which is 16 digits. So I'm going to break this quote for you today, and then we're going to start with the first quote. It's 4222. I've never seen a quote like this, but it's accurate, trust me. I'm going to spin the quote first and say 24, 22. Obviously I cannot be able to spin the 24. This is a correct number, 422. So here we cut again, because now this number is got a twin here. It means we cannot spin it. Instead we're gonna split it into 2, which is 42, 22, 2, or 24, 22, 2, like that. And then, because UK49 people, they are so smart, they're going to add up these numbers. Like 4 plus 2 is a 6, plus 2 is an 8, plus that is a 10. And then we leave that as it is. Remember another theory that you must understand about these numbers. Sorry, the 42. So let me say the banker for today is 42 and 20 and 22. Those are my bankers that I'm going to use one way. So now at least we've got 2 numbers there, or 3 numbers. We're gonna jump over to the second quote, which is 3890. Let's go. The second quote is 3890. So now, because the quote has got a 0, we're gonna crush it like that. So it simply means that a 38, a 39, or a 36, or a 9 itself is gonna drop from that quote. And then when we're done, we're gonna say 38 plus 9. How much is that? It's a 47. So it means a 47 can come. Then we say 38 minus 9. It's a 29. So 29 must come, 47 must come. I hope I'm clear, guys, on that. I don't want you guys to be left out. Okay, let's jump over to the third quote, which is called 2990. You see, with this quote, it shows us that the 29 must drop. 29 must drop, but you have to spin again and make sure it's a 26. And then a 9 is there. We spin again, we make it a 6. Then you put a line down there. We add 29 plus 9, how much is that? 38. It now brings us back to that 38. So meaning that a 38 can be a repeat on lunch or tea time. If we separate, it gives us a 20. So a 20 won't drop, it's gonna drop a what? A 2 instead of a 20. Because yesterday, the other day, 2014 came. So now we are sure that a 2 must drop. That is why I said to you guys, a 2, 22, 42, 24. number which is good today. It cannot, maybe they cannot bring the whole combo, but those numbers are coming today. Then when you are done doing that, we go down to the last code, which is 3915. This code is dangerous. I'm going to spin it first. 3651. Actually, I'm not spinning, I'm reversing it, which means it gives me 39, a 19, a 15, and then a 35. 36, I'm spinning now. 51. Because now the 15 must drop as well. The 39 must drop. You see, so you can now be creative and say 39, 15, 42, 22, 2. Because me, I like playing 4 to 5 numbers when I'm doing my predictions. So guys, these are the codes for today. And this is what I have for you today. Then we are not done yet. We go back to the what we call drawings. 42, 38, 90, 2990, 3915. This is just to guide you on the other numbers that might pop or that might come, because I'm looking at my notes here. The numbers that I see that must come today. 42, yes, I approve. Let me say 42, I approve. 22, I approve. 2, I approve. And then 32 as well can drop because it's a series. And then there is a what? There is a 44 there on the other side. There is also a, so remember with 32 it can be 23 or 32. There is 38, the repeat. There is 39, and then what else did I see there? Oh, 47 already included, and 43. 43. Did I put a 28? 28 there. So look, if you can look at this code, you will see that there's a 42, there's a 22, there's a 2, there's a 38, there's a 39, and then there's a 30, guys, the hidden guy. 30 and 3, because I have to spin them. Then there's a 29 as well. Don't forget the 29 there. 29, let me say right like that. And then the 31, obviously, the 39 obviously it's sure there because you can see that it is there. And then there's an 11. And 11 is an alternate of 22. So be creative enough and try to do on predictions. But please, guys, I want us to win. The holidays are just around the corner. We need to do something. We really need to do something to get back our money from UK 49s. Don't forget a 12. I forgot. Because remember, there are these other hidden numbers that we always miss out. And then at the end of the day, we find out that I skipped that number and it was there. See, that's why I said 32, 28, 11. Those numbers, also make sure that you play them. And you know what, guys? Play a 40 as a bonus. 40. Because when I see this first code, for example, I see this first code here. 4, 2, 2, 2. If I say 42 minus 2, it gives me a 40. That I'm going to put in the bonus ball. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys are going to be fine. And then I'm just waiting to give you the Powerball. It's a Powerball which is coming tonight, 5:50. So, guys, for those of you who want to purchase the group and support the team, here is the number for WhatsApp. We've got discount for 50%. Thank you very much.